I might have made a video on it, I might have not made a video on it. I don't really know, but I have the package. It is very cool. I ordered the world's first my grandma ordered the world's first camcorder for me. And I the Sony BMC-100. I'm very thankful. Thankfully. You spent $300 on this. There's more packaging. Got there for just in case more packaging. I'm gonna be tortured with insane amount of package. It looks like I am. I just need to the box lift. Maybe there should be. Guess I'm just gonna. Cause like, what's with this box? It's the weirdest boxes I've ever seen. Oh, it's because this extra piece of tape attaching the other box to this. Oh, it has like a separate. Okay, I have noticed the boxing style. This is another box. That's attached. This is another piece of a box that's attached to the other box. Okay, now I know how to deal with the box. Okay, now I just look. Oh, this is a very convenient box. Okay. This is just insanely complicated. At least I did good on packaging. Like, this is just an insane amount of packaging. But it is very secure. Now, I try to avoid touching the box even with my thing. Okay. Got this box amalgamation from there out of the way. Now we have this. How is this even packed? Like this. Here we go. Okay. We have the final two cuts. One, two. Okay. Yeah, that looks so cool. Oh, god damn, that is heavy as fuck. But holy shit! That looks brand new. That sticker is perfect. There's no peeling on this. It's a Sony sticker. There's like a little scuffed and stuff. But honestly, this looks perfect. It even has that label there, the caution label. Okay, now it's time. Oh! Oh my fucking god! Bro, okay. This is just insane. Let's go. We have made first looking at. So, this is the first time I've ever held a beta tape in my life. Betamax tape. So we have this one. These two are completely sealed. Oh wait, not this one. This is the one that he said that he used to test. And then this one is completely sealed, but he doesn't have a remote. The original Sony battery. There is... What even is that? So, what even is this? No idea. Here, Velcro. Okay, so it's Velcro, so it's safe to peel. Oh, it's the strap. Is this the strap for like the... No, it's not. So, this is insane. We have the world's first camcorder, and I'm recording my unboxing on an old camcorder of 2000s. Plug. Oh no, it's zooming in. Look at that old plug. Here, got the Velcro. Take the up. There we go. The original battery pack. This is the BMC-100, so this is the first actual battery for it. So now, I guess the thing that's like left to do is just, yeah, these are like perfect brand new conditions. I feel like this was kind of worth the... I know it's untested, but it's kind of worth it. This is just an insane piece of history. Like, that's what I said to convince my grandma to buy a very high priced thing. So we have a light. Got that flip door, and then you could just take the battery pack and just slide it in, turn it on, and then it, what they said it was, it is mint. Got the battery pack. Oh, there's the charge light, so both lights work. There's still it's a Sony stickers on both of them are not peeling at all. And this is like this is the first time I've ever even touched a Betamax tape. Open that baby up.
I've never touched a Betamax tape either.
Oh shit.
Can I touch a Betamax tape?
It's like
I touched it.
So here's the thing where you like put the labels on stuff. Then there's the opening mechanism. Oh, that's a weird opening mechanism. Like it's like there. Okay, so here, this is what I'm assuming is a different. It looks like it would go. Oh, I think it is. I see those like there's some holes there that I think would go onto there because there's this. Yes. So yeah, I think that would screw on around there, and you would screw it on. And there's the case strap. It even comes with the original fucking plastic bag. So, now, oh, I've touched the world's first camcorder. This is insane. This is so cool. Okay, so there's a little pad for, you know, your head. Okay. So, there's this, which has like a little, there's a release switch where you like, I think, do you pull or push on it? Oh, you push. You push it down and then it comes out. I don't want to release it. I don't want to break it. Okay. So, made in Japan. Okay, this is insane. There's filter. There's that thing. You fold that down. Clicks in place. It's just satisfying as hell. And then you could just... And then it clicks also out there. And then you fold this. You take this little switch up here that says release and push it up and then flip it there. And then it clicks in. Yeah, so it is a BMC-100. And then you put on your shoulder after you flick that down. Flick it down. And then have it on your shoulder. It even has the cover for it. That's nice. Still has that cover. And it has that little tape on there that shows where it goes. There's the mechanical eject on this. So it's pretty, you press that. Oh no, I think it still is a switch. Okay, so there it is. DC in 9.5 volts. Okay, I'm gonna take that and just pray it works. Plug in. Power on. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, that's good. Oh, turn the power on. Put it next to my face. And then okay. Yes! That's so satisfying. So, you put this in, you put the cartridge in, and it's like and then you click it in, and then you push. Oh. push. Damn, that sounds satisfying. And then it pops up like a little toaster. So you can grab it. That is so cool. Oh, I forgot to even take off the lens so I can even look through the viewfinder. And then this is insanely cool. Doesn't even have autofocus, so. Can I charge and power at the same time? No, I cannot charge and power at the same time. Okay. The mechanism working perfectly. Mechanical zoom, like automatic zoom. Manual zoom works. Okay, so I don't think it has unlocked all its features yet. I think it might need a battery for that. But I'm going to charge the battery and put that here. Switch release, fold that up. That's so satisfying. Okay, so now we have this battery compartment here. You open it like there's the battery. So then you'd put the battery in there. Click it in. Close that. And you flip that. This is like not even a. This is not even a. This goes. I'm pretty sure that goes straight into the Trinitron tube. Yeah, so there's that. And then there's filter. Okay, so the battery works. There's an electric condenser microphone. It has all like Japanese lettering. Oh, I just needed to adjust this. This little thing that was... There's that little thing right next to the viewfinder. That was the thing that was absolutely messing up the... You know... Okay. Yeah, so this is insane. Oh, I almost forgot the remote. There is a remote. It is on where there is. These are like probably, this is like where you would put the tape. And there's the remote. There is. You open this bottom part. There is some stuff here. I don't know about this. I don't think this is for the actual camcorder. Okay, so let me just take the battery out. Just open that little compartment. And then it pops out. Now close the compartment. Then find the release switch. Okay. Push it up. Oh, that's what that. This here. It goes up to here, and then it clicks in. And there's the focus. There's the zoom. There's the wobbly condenser right in front. I think. Yeah. So now I can just push the battery, put the battery in to charge. And put another Betamax. Take them there. So yeah. Well, also put the viewfinder thing in there. Pops in. Everything like snaps in like it's like a brand new. Like I just bought it in 1983, I think. Oh no, it might be 1982 or something. Okay. I don't know how to take that off, and I'm not gonna risk my chances. This snaps open, and I think that might be where like you could put a tripod or something. Okay, so then okay. I don't know if they said it came with the key. But I'm pretty sure they did. I'm gonna check under here and very carefully remove the case. Here's under the case. There's the buckle straps. And there's a obvious lack of key. Maybe it runs on the same key as the trumpet. Okay, so the trumpet key has 2 copies of it, so I'm not really that worried. So yeah, I don't think I can get it. But at least I have some cool materials, but yeah, there's no key. I thought that it might be in here. Yeah, nope, it's not. It's not in there. Okay, so that fits in here. Then, so after that, this screws onto here. Okay, so I might need an actual screwdriver for that. I am not risking losing parts for this. So yeah, this is what you would use as a what's this? There's like an area to put something in. There's like an area here to put something in. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting all of the stuff away. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this, the two side mount things. Yep. Put that closed. I wonder what was supposed to go here. Like on this part. But yeah. That goes here. I'm looking at the diagram. So that's like this is when I realized there was no more tape. The tape ended. I didn't really realize it until a few minutes later, but yeah, there was no tape playing at that time. Well, on to the next tape that is just part 2 of the tape I ran out of. Audio video pro tape ended. This is still in there. I was in the process of putting all the stuff away. Okay, so now I'm gonna. I said audio video pro tape because the name of the first recording is a Fuji AV Pro TC30. Okay. Just put the Betamax tape away. It's the L750. Put that in there. So now I'll put the tape in here. Put that there. Now I can there. That looks amazing. It is perfectly new. At beta 1, it says this still beta 1. Beta 1, it's 1 hour, 30 minutes. Beta 2, it's 3 hours. And beta 3 is 4 hours and 30 minutes. Here's the price. Well, not the price. The item number. 55750. So, I don't think this is the remote commander RMT311, because on here the remote has a green plug. So I'm gonna put the Betamax camera back in now. So first I will take that, put that to the side, and put this up. Okay. So, put this here. Okay, put that there. There's this thing that this comes off and you can like adjust the shoulders, the palm strap or something. I don't know what this is. I don't know what goes in here. I don't know what goes in there. Oh, I think I do know what goes in there. That is the battery.
Why the fuck did it unmute?
That strap also goes in that bin. But I am not gonna...
You know what I mean? It's not like she doesn't have kids, but I believe in the worker. I
Yeah, so this thing is brand new. I'm going to do research on this remote, because I really don't think this is for the actual camera. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to research the remote, and then I'll restart the recording and check back up on you and tell you if the remote is for it or not. Nice, I'm surprised that this actually worked. For like the shortest amount of time. Yeah, it worked for like 1 second. What is my screwdrivers? Oh, right. There's a lot of pieces lost. So, I don't use it in a very conventional method. I just use this like little flippy thing to just break the seal on the screwdrivers, because after that I can undo it by hand, you know, where it like gets that little click and stuff. After that I can just undo these 2 screws by hand. I had the screwdriver thing for it, and I have no idea where it is now. So I'm just gonna use these 2. And we will see inside the screw, the VHS camcorder. If I just slide this off, there's the neat insides. So there is the read and write head is right there on that little wheel right there. You can see it. There's not, well, this is VHS quality because I'm recording on a VHS. Still, I'm recording on a VHS-C camcorder, and there's 2 heads there. There is these things which like kind of maneuver these 2 white things over here squeeze, wrap the VHS around the read-write head, and this little wheel.
Bro, how did this even get here?